Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer money between your BMO accounts. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for quick links. Under quick links, you will see an option for account transfers. Click on account transfers. Now, enter all the required information. First, select the From and to Accounts. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Also, choose a transfer type, either one-time or recurring. In this video, I'm going to make a one-time transfer. After that, click on Continue. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Confirm Transfer. That's how you transfer money between your BMO accounts. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.